Science Project is the Exploding Baggie Edition.
So we are going to fill each one of these baggies with half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of warm water.
Warm, guys.
And then we're going to zip it up.
Why don't I get to do it? I don't want safety goggles.
You're going to need safety goggles.
Well, not for this part, so.
Okay, there's half a cup of that.
I'll
Hold
seal
on.
it.
Oh, I'm not ready. And half a cup of this.
You'll be the person that does that, and then I'll be the sealer. So I'm good at
You
sealing.
really have to make sure it's sealed. Here you
I'm
go.
good at sealing, I think. I'm not that good at sealing.
Triple check.
Okay.
That's okay, because we're going to have to open it again.
There's our first bag.
Okay, so set it off. Yeah, set it over here. Seal that guy. This one I'm going to do a quarter cup of each because it's smaller.
Yeah, it's a smaller one than this.
Yeah. Like this room there.
And if you guys don't see, that's halfway full. So if we do that in there, it would be like all the way full. And we don't want that because we need to add something else.
That's right. We have another ingredient to add.
Which is arm and hammer baking powder.
Soda.
Soda.
Baking soda. These are like our two favorite ingredients, right?
Vinegar and baking soda?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Always,
Most popular on Science Project Tuesday.
always gets us into trouble somehow. Okay.
Somehow. Yeah, if you guys didn't see our last Science Project Tuesday, what did we do, Goa?
I don't know. When did we get into trouble?
What did we do? I don't remember. Auntie, do you remember?
Well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so these are all filled and sealed. So our next thing is we're going to push this off to the side.
What other thing?
Okay. Now we have to fill, how many bags do we have?
5.
So we're going to have to fill 5 pieces of Kleenex with 3 tablespoons of baking soda. We'll lay that. No, oh, jeez Louise.
Okay.
Okay. So get them ready. We have, gotta measure 3 tablespoons. Oh, there's a scooper in there. 3 tablespoons of.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Yes.
Okay, just let me get all the stuff out.
Well, we don't want these. Okay.
Okay.
So let's get them going though.
Okay, over here.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay.
Can I do it?
So this is the funny part. So you, go ahead and do 3 in there. So you put the baking soda on here and then you fold you fold it up so that the baking
It doesn't fit. It won't go. It's frozen solid.
It's not frozen, it's just clumped. Okay, that's like 1.5. Oh, 2. Okay, that's good. So the next one is, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So then we fold it up to make like a little baking soda package.
No, you come up here.
Oh boy.
This is.
Okay, less is probably more.
It's coming on the ground.
Please don't let it come on the ground.
Come on, we're scooting over here.
Okay, keep going.
This is our section over here. Okay,
That's
guys.
probably good.
Yep, it's definitely on the ground.
Okay, guess who gets the sweet leader?
Hey, y'all.
I'm just
We
breaking
need to
this
get
up.
over here. We need to get over
No, well, okay, just make kind of like an eyeball a pile. Oh boy. Okay. So one of them. Oh, okay. The last one, or maybe that one. That's probably good for that one. That'll go in the smallest bag. So do one more good amount.
Is this good?
Okay. So then you get these all folded up. And then I think we're going to take a break so we can
Figure this out.
regroup here for a minute, and then we'll show you how
Oh,
I'll
this
show you
worked
what
out.
happens next.
Yeah, it must be the exploding part.
Yeah, so
Bye, Science Project Tuesday. Science Project Tuesday. Out.
okay.
Hi, we're back, and today we're going to be doing our little packages. Shouldn't we be doing it over there?
That's where we're gonna put it after we get it all together. So we put this in here, and then you have to have an assistant hold it because you don't want it to touch the vinegar until you're ready. So you're gonna zip for me.
I thought I was the assistant.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna double check. Okay, so now you're gonna take it, just like I'm holding it. Got it? And you're going to lay it down and give it a little shake. Just lay it down. Lay it down and give it a little shake. Okay.
It's growing.
I don't think we should get too close.
I'm gonna give it all the shake.
Huh?
Oh, it's happening, guys. Zoom in, Auntie. Zoom in.
Oh!
It's happening. It's happening. It's
Okay, wait.
explode. It's gonna explode.
Oh!
It's a bubble. It's turning. It's it.
No. Oh, it's leaking.
It's leaking.
Ooh.
Okay.
It is tight.
Is it gonna explode?
Oh, wait.
That's weird. Is it gonna explode? Huh?
You don't think so?
Shake it more. Let me do it.
Okay. No! Please stop. Aves, I don't want to. I guess we have really good Ziploc bags. Okay, we'll be back. We're going to add some more vinegar.
Okay, we're back. So we didn't add anything, and we're just going to try it again with a smaller bag, but we're going to extra Ziploc it because that one kind of leaked.
Just a tiny bit, but I don't know why.
Here.
Okay, so here I go.
Here we go.
Into here.
Into here. Okay. Put it over this so it doesn't explode on us. I kind of wanted to explode on this, aka.
No, AKA means also known as.
Oh, also known as I wanted to explode on her.
Okay, are you helping me? Zip.
Oh, zip, wait. Zip, 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 zip.
Yeah, tuck and zip. Tuck and zip. Easy, easy. Oh, Lord. Come on, zip.
Zip, zip, zip.
We're going to have a problem here, really.
It's going.
Wait. No. Not good. Okay, hold on. Oh, I think we lost most of it. Oh, dang it. Okay.
Guys, we're back. So now we're going to do a
A small one. So you're going to be faster
And
at
we
zipping.
saw our last video.
Yeah, we're
Someone
not.
got exploded on.
Okay, but we're not going backwards. Okay. Listen. You zip. Oh, shoot. Hold on. This is the hard part. Okay, start zipping.
Oh my gosh, I can't feel your fingers. It's stuck.
Don't, you're pushing my hand down. Oh my God.
Is it? It's going.
Avery, zip. Let go. Move then. Move.
Just drop it.
Okay, I think we're ready.
Don't put it down. Put it.
You want me to put it down?
No,
You put it down. Okay. You are crazy.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Looks like the loaf of bread.
We should have cleaned up our puddle from last time. Okay. Go, baby, go.
Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Give me this, give me this.
It didn't work. Just stop for a minute.
Okay. Can I have it for a sec?
No!
Work! Just work.
All the stuff leaked out, and now it's all over us as well. Okay, put it down.
Okay, so now we put both of these in here, and we're gonna put both of these in here. We'll see where it explodes.
Okay.
Okay, try not to drop it.
Try not to not zip it all the way. Okay.
That was fun.
Huh? There. This is the hardest part. But don't move my fingers. That's what happened last time. This is the most difficult part. Okay, make sure it's zipped.
Come on.
Is it?
Wait, I have a trick. It's not zipped.
Okay, go.
There we go.
That's your trick, is to unzip it, zip it again? Okay.
Okay, let's do this.
Good?
Good. Good. Okay.
Here we go.
Who's peeling off the ceiling?
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. Let go. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I was thinking again.
No.
Okay, we got a mess to clean up.
We'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
So that worked, apparently. So see you next time. Hopefully not as crazy as this one, but that exploded. If you guys didn't see that, we were laughing. Our faces were red.
Scared us bad.
Auntie, my aunt looked like she was crying.
Okay, so we'll see you next week.
We'll see you next week. Bye. Or maybe on Sunday when we do something else. So I'll see you when I see you. Bye.